Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of mathematics is the area of triangle. So this is important topic. So concentrate yourself. We are going to start now. We use the formula below to calculate the area of the triangle. So this is the formula for calculating the area of the triangle. That is 1 by 2 into base into height. So first you should be very clear in your mind which one is base and which one is height. Height is always perpendicular to the base. This is the thing. So if this is base, this will be height. If this is base, this will be height. And if this is base, this will be height, not this one, because height should always be perpendicular to the base. This is the thing. Okay, now look. Here are some questions. So this is a question in which this base is given and this is actually perpendicular to it. So this will be the height. And the requirement is the area of the triangle. We will put the formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is 12 and height is 7. So we will put the values from the figure to the formula. After cancellation, you will get an answer. And area is always in square units. Unit used in the figure is centimeter. So that's why centimeter square will be the unit of the answer. And other question is here. If this is base, this is actually perpendicular to it. So this will be the height. And the area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So 8 and 6 will be placed from the triangle into the formula. And after cancellation, you will get answer. And centimeter square will be the unit. Here is another question. Statement is ABCD is a rectangle. So A, B, C and D. This is the rectangle. Find the total area of the shaded part. So these two portions are shaded and this is unshaded. So we are required to find the total area of the shaded part. And actually shaded parts are two triangles. So here is one triangle that is AED. And here is second triangle that is BCD. So look. First, we are going to find the area of the triangle AED. So if this is base, this will be the height because this is perpendicular to it. In total, this is 10. This is 6. So this will be 4. This is 15. So this will also be 15. So the area of triangle AED will be 1 by 2 into 4 into 15. So this is the area of the triangle, upper triangle. Now we are going to find the area of the lower triangle. If this is the base, this will be the perpendicular height. So this is the height. So 10 will be the height and 15 will be the base. The area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 into 15 into 10. So after finding separately the area of these two triangles, we will add them to find the total area of the shaded parts. So look at the solution now. The total area of the shaded part is equal to area of a rectangle ABCD. Okay, this is another method. He has pointed out the area of the total rectangle. So you know the area of the rectangle is length into width. So length is 15 and width is 10. So here is the area of the rectangle. And from this, he has subtracted the area of the unshaded part. That is a triangle. So if this is base, so this 15 will be the height. So 1 by 2 into 6 into 15. So look now, this is another method. So there are two methods to find the total area of the shaded part. So it will be up to you which method you use. Here is another question. ABCD is a rectangle. So this is ABCD. Find the area of the shaded triangle BPQ. So this BPQ is shaded portion. Okay. The method to find the shaded portion will be, we will subtract these three unshaded triangles from the rectangle and the remaining portion will be shaded one. So look, the area of the rectangle can be found out by multiplying 36 into 20. That will be the area of the rectangle. Now come to the unshaded triangles. So if this is 20, now look at this side. because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So if this is 20, this total will be also 20, but these two lines show these are two equal parts. So if total is 20, so this will be 10, this will be 10 as well. If this side is 36, opposite side AD will also be 36 centimeter, but these two double lines show these are two equal parts. So 36 will be divided into two equal parts, will be, this will be 18 and this will be 18 as well. So now we are going to find the area of the unshaded triangles. So area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 into 20 into 18. So this will be the area of this triangle. In this triangle, the area of the triangle will be 1 by 2 into 18 into 10. In this triangle, the area of the triangle will be 1 by 2 into 36 into 10. So these are the areas of three triangles which will be subtracted from the area of the rectangle to get the area of the shaded portion. So this will be the method. Look at the same time, in a rectangle, every angle is of 90 degrees. So that's why this and this sides will be base and perpendicular of each other. In this triangle, this side and this side will be base and perpendicular of each other. Here will be 90 degree as well. So this side and this side will be base and perpendicular of each other. So this is the way. And now look at the solution. Look now. First, the values are written on these sides. Then the total area of the unshaded part is finded out. So look here. This is one triangle. This is second. This is third triangle. All these triangles are unshaded. So this is the area of the unshaded portion. And finally, the area of the shaded triangle is finded out by subtracting the total area of the unshaded portion from the area of the rectangle. So this is the final answer. Here is another question. The statement of the question is the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is 46 centimeter. So perimeter is given. AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Look at this side. This is 8 centimeter, and also given that CX is equal to CD. So CX and CD sides are equal. So it means because this is a rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. So if this is 8, this will also be 8. And according to statement, CX is equal to CD. So if this is 8, this will also be 8. Okay. From the perimeter of the rectangle, that is 46. If this is 8, this is 8. So in total, these two sides make 16. 16 will be subtracted from 46. The remainder will be 30. So it means 30 will be divided into two equal halves because BC and AD sides will be equal. So 30 divided by 2. So this side will be 15 and this BC side will be total 15. Okay, now a part is find the length of the BX. So if this total side is 15 and this portion is 8, so 15 minus 8, so this will be 7. So this is the answer of the first part. B part is find the area of the shaded triangle BDX. So BDX, because this is side which we have find it out, that is 7 centimeter. If this is base, so this will be perpendicular to the base. So 1 by 2 into 7 into 8. Cancel these values, you will get the answer of B part. So look now. Okay, if this is 8, this will be 8. And because of these lines, so if this is 8, this will be also 8. And because of the perimeter is 46, so 16 is subtracted from 46, remainder will be 30. 30 will be divided into two equal halves. So this will be 15 and this will be 15 as well. So if this total is 15 and this portion is 8, so 15 minus 8 will be 7. So this is first part. Okay. And then because the shaded portion is required, so if this is base, this will be the height. So 1 by 2 into 7 into 8. So look now. 1 by 2 into 7 into 8. So this is the area of the triangle. Unit will be centimeter square because centimeter unit was used in the question. Here is another question that has the statement: the shaded figure below is drawn on square grids of side 1 centimeter. So this trapezium is actually shaded and the area outside the trapezium is unshaded. Requirement is find the area of the shaded figure. So if this is 1 centimeter, one box representing 1 centimeter, so it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this side is total 5 centimeter and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this side is also 5 centimeter. So it means this total figure is a square, that is 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Okay, to find the area of the shaded portion, that is trapezium, we will subtract the areas of these three triangles 1, 2 and these three triangles from the area of the square. So the area of this triangle is 1 by 2 into 1, 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 and 5. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 5 will be the area of this triangle that is outside the trapezium. Now into this triangle, 1 by 2 into 1 into 4 will be the area of this triangle that is outside the trapezium. Now this triangle, so 1 by 2 into 1 into 5 will be the area of this triangle. So now we will subtract the areas of these three triangles from the area of the square. So look now, the method is applied like this. So this is 2, this is 5, this is 1, this is 4, this is 1, this is 5. Okay. So look now. Here is the area of the square, that is 5 by 5. Here is one triangle, here is second, here is third. So all three triangles areas are subtracted from the area of the square. So this is the area of the shaded portion. Here is another question that is having this statement: the figure below is made up of the square and two triangles. So this is the square and this is 1 and 2 triangles. If the area of the square is 144 centimeter square, find the total area of the two triangles. Okay, area of the square is given, that is 144, and area of the square, you know the formula is L square is equal to area. So this is L square. Taking the square root will give us the side, that will be square root of 144 will be 12. So it means this will be 12, this will be 12 as well. So now we are going to find the areas of the triangles, but first we are going to check the base and height. So if this is the base of one triangle, so if this is 12 and this total is 28, so 28 minus 12 will be 16. So this is the 16, that will be the height of this base. So the area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 into 12 into 16. Okay, now we are coming to the second triangle. So this is the base and from here to here will be the, okay, if this is the base, look now, so then this will be the height, because this will be the height, this side will be extended and this will be the height, that will be equal to this one. So if this is 12 and this is 12 as well, so 30 minus 12 will be the length of this one, that will be 18. So 1 by 2 into 12 into 18 will be the area of this triangle. Then we will add them to get the total area of the triangles. So look now, this method is going to be applied. So look, this is 18 and this is 16. So area of the square is this and total area of the triangle is this, 1 by 2 into 12 into 16. This is the area of one triangle, and 1 by 2 into 12 into 18 is the area of the second triangle. adding them will give us the total area of the two triangles.